Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a triangle shawl featuring the crochet tulip stitch. The written pattern is available on my website. I will put the link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this shawl you will need 3 balls of lion brand true wool. I have used the sparkle version, which is called true wool sparkle. You will also need crochet hook size 6 mm. Start with a slip knot and chain 4. Work 3 double crochet stitches in the 4th chain from your hook. At the end we always turn our work. The turning chains do not count as a stitch. In row 2 we will chain 3 and work 3 double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And 3 double crochet stitches in the last stitch. In row 3 we will chain 3 and we work 2 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the first stitch. Then we repeat the following till the end of the row. We skip 2 stitches and work a double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. At the end we skip the last 2 stitches and we work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the last stitch. We now have a total of 3 chain spaces at the end of row 3. In row 4 we will chain 3 and we work a double crochet and a puff stitch in the first stitch. Then we repeat the following till the end. We chain 1 and work a puff stitch in the next chain space. We will end the row with chain 1 and 1 puff stitch and a double crochet in the last stitch. We have a total of 5 puff stitches at the end of row 4. In row 5 we will chain 3 and work 3 double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Repeat the following till the end of the row. 1 double crochet in the next puff stitch, and 2 double crochet in the next chain space. We will end with a double crochet in the last puff stitch, and 3 double crochet in the last stitch. We will have a total of 19 double crochet stitches at the end of row 5. All you have to do now is repeat row 3, 4 and 5 until row 50. Here you can find an overview showing you how many stitches you should have at the end of each row. Optionally you can make tassels. I will quickly show you how to make them. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!